Welcome to Pioneer Career. Today we are going to discuss base system. To understand the logic behind base system, first of all we'll try to understand the normal system, that is the base 10 system. Let us suppose a 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. In base 10, it is 1234. We can write down the same number as 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. Or we can also write down the same number as 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. Let's understand the logic behind this. 1 is the first digit, hence 1 into 10 to the power, after 1 we have 3 digits, hence 10 to the power 3. Then next digit is 2, hence 2 into 10 to the power, after 2 we have 2 digits, hence 10 to the power 2. Then next is 3, hence 3 into 10 to the power, after 3 we have 1 digit, hence 1. Then last is 4, so 4 into 10 to the power, after 4 we have 0 digits, hence 10 to the power 0. Now question is why we are doing here 10. The reason behind this, the number we have written down is in base 10. So similar logic will apply when a number is in the different base. Let us suppose 202. A number 202 in base 6. If we need to find the value of this number, then we write down 2 into, since base is 6, hence 6 to the power, after 2 we have 2 digits, so 2 plus next digit is 0, hence 0 into base is 6, after 6 we have 1 digits, hence 6 to the power 1 plus next digit is 2, hence 2 into base is 6 and after 2 we have 0 digits to the power 0. Or we can write down 6 square into 2, 36 into 2, 72 plus this is 0, 6 to the power 0 is 1, 2, so 74 in base 10. Hence from any base we can convert to base 10 by this method. Let's have a broader look on the same concept. If a number 1, 2, 3, 4 is given to us in base 5 and we need to find the value 1, 2, 3, 4 in base 5. This one we have to convert in base 10. So we can write down 1, the first digit, into 5. After 1 we have 3 digits, hence 5 cube. 5 because base is 5. Then next digit is 2, hence 2 into 5 to the power, after 2 we have 2 digits, 2 square. Plus next digit is 3, 3 into 5 to the power 1 because after 3 we have 1 digit. Then plus 4 into 5 to the power 0. Now find the value of this. 5 cube we know it is 125 plus this value 5 square, 25 into 2, 50 plus 3 into 5, 15 plus 5 to the power 0 is 1 into 4, 4. This will be equal to 175, 185, 190, 194 in base 10. Hence from any base we can convert to base 10. Let's generalize this as a formula. If a 4-digit number ABCD is in base n and we have to convert this number in base 10, then we can write it down A into, since base is n, hence n to the power 3 because after A we have 3 digits, plus B into n square plus C into n to the power 1 plus D into n to the power 0. Similarly, if we have 5 digits, then we will start with n to the power 4, n cube and so on. So it depends on the number of digits we have, we can follow the same principle. Now let's see the vice versa. If we have any number in base 10 and we have to convert it to base n. Let us suppose 74 in base 10, we know this value, and we have to convert this number in say base 5. So how to convert that? So to find out that, we will keep on dividing it by 5 because the new base is 5. We need to find a new number in base 5. So we will keep on dividing by 5. So first we will divide it by 5. Quotient is 14, and remainder is 4. Again we will divide by 5. Quotient is 2 and remainder is 4. Now we will start from bottommost point, 2, 4, 4. Hence we can convert 74 in base 10 to base 5 as 244. Similarly, say 74 in base 10 we have to convert to base 6. We will apply the similar process. Again, now instead of dividing by 5, we will keep on dividing by 6. So 74 we will divide by 6. Quotient is 12, remainder is 2. We will again divide by 2. Sorry, we will divide by 6 because base is 6. Quotient is 2, remainder is 2. Again we will start from the bottommost point and we will get result as 202. Let us suppose we have a number 27 and we have to convert it to base 3. 27 in base 10 and we have to convert it to base 3. Hence we will divide 27 by 3 continuously. Then quotient is 9, remainder 0. Again divide by 3, quotient is 3, remainder 0. Again divide by 3, quotient is 1, remainder 0. Hence 27 in base 10 we can write down in base 3 as 1000 or 1000. Here point to note that when we are using base 5, these are the numbers when any number divided by base 5 and as a remainder. Similarly base 6, these are the remainders when we divide any number by base 6. These are the remainders when we divide any number by 3. Hence, if we are writing down in base 5, remainders can be from 0 to 4 only. If we are dividing it by any number by 6, remainders can be from 0 to 5 only. Hence, if we are writing down any number in base say 5, then digits we can use is only from 0 to 4 because the remainder can be from 0 to 4 only. Similarly, if we are writing down in base 6, digits that we can use is from 0 to 5. Apply similar logic, then we can say that if we are writing down in base 2, then digits that we can use is only 0 and 1. If we are writing down in base 8, then digits that we can use is from 0 to 7, total 8 digits. If we are writing down in base 10, then digits that we can use is from 0 to 9. These 10 digits from 0 to 9. If we are writing down a number in base 11, then number of remainders that we can get is from 0 to 10. But 10 is not a digit, 10 is a number. So 10 we represent as A. Similarly, if we divide anything by 12, possible 0 to 9, then 10 and 11. 10 we represent as A, 11 we represent as B. Let's take one example. If we have a number 1, 0, A in base 11 and we have to convert this to base 10. So how to convert this? Base is 11, hence this one we can write it down. 1 into base is 11, after 1 we have 2 digits, so square, plus 0 into base is 11, after 0 we have 1 digit, hence 1, plus A is equal to 10, hence 10 into 11 to the power 0, because after A we have 0 digits. So this one we can write down 11 square 121, this one is equal to 0 and this one is equal to 10. So 131. 10A in base 11 is equal to 131 in base 10. In this way we can convert from any base to base 10 and from base 10 to any base. Now we will see conversion from base 2 to base 8 or base 16. Let us suppose a number 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 in base 2 given to us, and we need to convert this number in base 8 or base 16. So one way we can do, we can convert this given number in base 10 and from base 10 again we can go back to base 8. But can we do it directly? Yes, we can do directly, and the reason behind this, that 2 cube is equal to 8. Since 2 cube is equal to 8, hence we will make a group of 3 numbers starting from the rightmost digit. So these 3 are in first group, these 3 are in second group. Now for the last group we have only 2 digits, so we can put 1 0 here comfortably. Last again we have group of 3 numbers. Now find out the value of this number. This number in base 2. So value will be 0 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So value of this 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 in base 2 will be 2. Similarly, value of 0, 1, 0 in base 2 will be 2, and value of 1, 1, 0 in base 2 will be 4 plus 1, 5. Hence this one, when we convert to base 8, the value will be 2, 2, 5. Similarly, if we convert this number to base 16, we all know that 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Hence, instead of 3 numbers, now we will make a group of 4 numbers, starting from the rightmost digit. So, these 4 in one group, then these 4 are in one group. Here we don't need to put 0 at the back, because we have got group of 4 numbers. Now, this one is equal to, this is base in base 2, so we have to convert it to base 10 or base 16. So this one is equal to 1 into 2 cube plus 0, 0, and the last one is 1 into 2 to the power 0. This one is 0, and then next 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. So value of this one is 8 plus 1, 9, and value of this one is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Hence this one, when we convert it in base 16, we'll get the result as 96. Just take another example to understand the same logic. We have been given a number 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2, and we have to convert it to base 8. Again, we'll make a group of 3 numbers, 3 numbers, and 3 numbers. So we have 3 groups here. Now 1, 0, 1, when we convert to base 8, we will get 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. That means the value will be 4 plus 1, 5. This one again 5, and this one 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. That means 2 plus 1, 3. So 5, 5, 3 in base 8. The same number, if we have to convert it in base 16, then we will make a group of 4 numbers starting from the rightmost digit, and then we will get 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and for the last group we have to add 3 zeros. Now when we convert this one, we will get 1. When we convert this one, we will get 8 plus 2, 10. When we convert this one, we will get, when we convert this one, we will get 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. The value of this will be 4 plus 1, 5. When we convert this one, we will get 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So 8 plus 2 plus 1, or we will get value 11. So when we convert this one in base 16, we will get 1, 5, 11 we cannot write down as 11. Now remember, 10 we write down as A, 11 we write down as B. So this one, when converted in base 16, we will get 1, 5 and B. In this way, from base 2 we can directly convert to base 8 or base 16 or base 32, taking 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits at a time. Similarly, from base 3 to base 9 we can convert directly, taking 2 digits at a time.